Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic prying tool. This will help you safely open the laptop without causing any damage. First, power down your HP 14 Candelas laptop and unplug it from any power source. It's essential to avoid any electrical hazards while working on your device. Next, remove the battery. This typically involves sliding the battery release latch and lifting the battery out. Now, locate the screws on the bottom panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws securing the bottom cover. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them to reassemble the laptop later. If you are unsure about the number of screws, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess your needs. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the bottom cover off. Work your way around the edges to avoid any damage. Take your time here to ensure you don't break any clips. With the bottom cover removed, locate the hard drive compartment. The hard drive is usually secured with screws. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove these screws. If you don't have the tools at home, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for a hassle-free experience. After removing the screws, gently pull the hard drive out of its slot. Be cautious not to pull on any attached cables. If your hard drive has a connector, you may need to disconnect it carefully. Ensure you handle the hard drive by its edges to avoid any damage from static electricity. Using an anti-static wrist strap during this process can help prevent any static discharge. Once the hard drive is removed, take a moment to clean the internal area of the laptop. Use compressed air to blow out any dust and debris that may have accumulated. This step is crucial for maintaining the longevity of your laptop. Remember, if you are unsure about performing these tasks, we can provide a quote before repair to help you make an informed decision. With the hard drive extracted and the area cleaned, you can now proceed to replace it or upgrade as needed. To reassemble, simply reverse the steps, reinsert the hard drive, secure it with screws, replace the bottom cover, and screw it back into place. Finally, reinsert the battery and plug your laptop back in. Congratulations! You've successfully extracted the hard drive from your HP 14 Candelas laptop. If you encounter any issues during this process or prefer professional assistance, remember that we provide no calls, no travel service to make your experience seamless and stress-free. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.